Alright. Okay. Oh, okay.
Alright, let me know when you're ready. I'll give you a boost up.
I have to wear a hat.
Yeah.
Yes. You fall, we don't want to break your pretty little head.
Or we don't
It's gonna fall off
want
anyway.
sticks falling.
You mean I'm gonna fall?
No.
Sorry.
We don't know.
Alright.
Just
Let
get
me know
ready.
when you're ready. Alright?
Isaac, this is my job. Pick it up.
Come on, buddy.
Like
Let's
it.
start
You're
pick.
doing this too much.
What?
He is a little bit.
Okay.
No.
No.
Okay.
Sideways. Move that foot over. Like you're walking. Go. Like this. And then in. Then lock. Like up. And then
Hold on. Let's do
It's like you're standing up. Just stand straight up.
go up and lock your knee. Next one.
There you go.
There
you go.
Take this foot out and put it up here.
You gotta twist your foot. Touch your toe to the tree and pull back.
This one. The lower foot.
He's like an inch off the ground.